Hi guys, this is going to be one of the last videos you're going to see for a while, and it's going to be a pretty short one, so yeah, let's get to it.
Glorious, no I won't give in, I won't give
in. So today we're going to be doing a showcase of a remote controlled dog, Anko from Kmart. So we've got some sound there, and this is what the remote looks like. Pretty nice. Let's use it. Now, with this remote control with a dog, you can move it, or you can choose to move it, like this. And you can turn it. Now, there's also mechanics, which are the buttons here, and one here. And first one we're going to do is imitate. This will make it imitate an animal with realistic sounds. When you press stop, you can hear this, which I still think is pretty funny.
Stop! Stop!
Alright, yeah, I'll stop. Alright, next mechanic is guard. This basically acts like a guard dog. It doesn't actually do anything though. Alright, next mechanic is dance, which it plays music and dances. There's actually a bunch of songs, and I'll show you a few more, but can't show too much because this video would be a while.
3, 2, 1.
And one more. And the last one is play, where it plays. Yeah, so that's about it for this dog. It's still fun to play with.